Hi, this is John with WATI, and this is one of my biggest soldiers whenever I get any stain in my clothes. So, as a guy, we get dirty really fast, and in my case, when I'm trying to do laundry, I'm not the type of guy who's trying to scrub out every stain, and this OxiClean actually does a great job with it. So, it actually has a little applier that you can scoop into your clothes whenever you're about to do laundry. I get one scoop out of this. I have sometimes some stains, different stains. But one of the things I like about this is that how reliable it is. Put your scoop, put it there, let the washing machine do its own job, and you're gonna be just like well warranty that it's gonna be out. And I've tried with hard stains. I tried with like pencil, with pens, ink, and some hard stains that I have from some of my clothes. Yeah, sometimes I get a little bit clumsy, but this actually great option. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.